Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The closing bell has sounded for the final time of 2017, and the markets had been down for most of the day, but then right there in the final few moments, they all took a bit of a plunge. The Dow closed 118 points lower. The S&P was actually down 13 points, and the NASDAQ was down 46 points. Not a lot of change, though, when you actually take a look at the percentage. But overall, this has been a really epic year. As we told you yesterday, the Dow hit record closings 71 times in 2017. That's a record. The S&P was up nearly 20%, and you can see the climb there. It actually started the year down here closer to 2,240, and it's closing over 26, almost 2,700. This is the best year that S&P has had since 2013. The NASDAQ was up even bigger, 28%. As you take a look at the climb that they had there, yes, starting also down here around, let's pull up the numbers here, actually around 5,400 in closing, up at 6,950. Very impressive. Now, oil ended the day higher, and I had to bring up a different chart so we can take a look at this. Look at this. It's closing over $60 a barrel for the first time in 2.5 years. Now, it has been a volatile year for oil as well. Yeah, this is the year chart. You can see that it actually started here in the low 50s. But then in the early summer, it plummeted all the way down to 43, the low 40s. And then that was when OPEC said, okay, we're going to start controlling our output. We're going to limit the glut of global supplies, which was good because it helped lead to this increase in prices. But then it also spurred American companies to start increasing their output. And so it probably didn't grow as high as it could have. But now we're just kind of watching. We're going to definitely see what happens here because right now it may not stay at $60 a barrel for long. And we have to end the year by talking about Bitcoin. This has been another volatile day for this fantastic cryptocurrency. As you can see, it actually started just a little over 14,400 for the day, and then it soared to over 15,000, and now it's closing down here. The closing number is down $116. Looks like 14,312. But the biggest news in cryptocurrencies is in Ripple, and I'm going to put a chart up here. It surged more than 30% today, and for a brief time, by market capitalization, it was the second largest cryptocurrency out there, surpassing Ethereum. As you can see, it's trading for more than about $2 right now. Now, Ripple is gaining popularity because it has a 4-second settlement time compared to Ethereum, which is about 2 minutes and more than an hour if you want to trade some Bitcoins. Yesterday, we told you how South Korea was cracking down on Bitcoin exchanges and banning new accounts. Well, now we're hearing that Ripple is reporting that banks in South Korea and Japan are testing the cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. That is definitely one to be watching in the new year, especially since the prices are, well, relatively speaking, pretty reasonable. Hey, that's it for now. Thank you so very much for watching Real Investment News in 2017. We have a big changes coming in 2018. You're going to want to stick with us. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we will see you in the new year.